Arma Military Simulation. You are a forward operating base. Your mission is to survive. Suddenly, alarms start blaring. Radar has just picked up multiple incoming threats. The CRAM systems on the ground start lighting up. The night sky with rapid-fire bursts. An enemy fighter jet, much like a Meek, tries to get in close and strafe the base, but it gets shredded by the CRAM as it flies through the kill zone. Several attack helicopters tried to flank the base from both sides, but they too get intercepted and destroyed. The soldiers on the ground scramble for cover as tracer rounds fly overhead. Close-ups of the action show. The first helicopter getting hit with a missile-lock sound, and then exploding in a fiery ball of flames. As the threat from above is neutralized, the soldiers cheer. A final wide shot shows the base is intact with burning wreckage on the outskirts. Thanks for watching!